Shabbat Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akakadash. Shalom to the elders of Great Millstone for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to the Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson I want to bring out. I'm going to read the scriptures, then I'm going to bring out the news article as well too. And this is the book of Matthew, chapter 24, verse 6, from the BibleGateway.com, KJV, or the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, "And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet." Matthew 24 and 7, "For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places." Matthew 24 and 8, "All these are the beginning of sorrows." Shalom. First and foremost, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akakadash. Shalom to the elders of Great Millstone for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely, like I mentioned before. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too, as I've mentioned again as well too. And I say Shabbat Shalom. And this is a news article from RT.com as of June the 1st, 2023, and it reads, Ukrainian drone attacks Russian city governor. Several UAVs were shot down near the Kursk, if I pronounced that right. The top regional officials have said several Ukrainian drones have been shot down near the Russian city of Kursk. Regional Governor Rome Starkovik said in the early hours on Friday. Starkovik, if I pronounced that right, urged residents to stay calm, adding that the capital of the region that shared a border with Ukraine was under the form of protection of our military. It says the governor's statement came shortly after several telegram channels reported that explosions were heard over the city. The channel matched posts and unverified video appearing to show an air defense system firing a missile into the sky. Russian border region have frequently come under artillery and rocket fire as well as drone attacks ever since Moscow launched its military operation in the Ukraine of February 2022.
Полетела.
It says raids has also been launched into Russia's territory. On Tuesday, drone carrying explosives crashed into several high-rise residential buildings in Moscow. No one was killed, while two civilians suffered minor injuries, according to the Russian officials. Kyiv has conducted the attack in order to sow fear and confusion among the population. It says on Thursday, the Russian Defense Ministry said that its troops has repelled an armed incursion from Ukraine into the Belgorod region. Units in Kyiv's service alleged made up of Russian nationalist volunteers have claimed responsibility for the similar cross-border raids in the Belgorod region in mid-March and the Bryansk region in early March. So as we continue to see the Russian-Ukraine situation heating up, and Ukraine had their military counteroffense, which took place, I would say, about a couple of days ago, almost close to a week. So, especially all those different parts of Ukraine. So, we're going to continue to see the Russia-Ukraine escalations continue to stir up now, some more than ever, which is part of the continual increasing in Matthew 24:6 of the continual increasing of wars and rumors of wars, and nation against nation and kingdom against kingdom. And that's what we are witnessing, one nation rising up against another nation with the Russia-Ukraine situation. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying on this Shabbat. And first and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Mukarkadash. Shalom to the elders of Great Millstone for preaching His word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Aki, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.